All right. Hi, guys. Good morning or afternoon, whenever you are watching this. Welcome to Social Studies. Today, you are working independently on an activity that will follow up with our activity from last week. Here is your agenda for today. Step one is watch this video. Good news, you're already doing that. You're amazing. I am so impressed every day. Step two is you're going to complete the second part of what type of citizen does a democracy need. I will explain exactly what that looks like in just a minute, but you are going to complete a reading today where you're going to work on that independently, and you're going to answer some comprehension questions and a quick little wrap-up activity that's going to lead us into tomorrow's tasks. So thinking back to where we were before, you guys created these heads. This is an example from a student who I think did an excellent job. On the inside, you put things that make a good citizen, and on the outside, you put things that make a not so good citizen or a negative citizen. All right. And so what we're going to do today is actually break that down a little bit more. We started to have some discussions about how the good and the bad are sometimes blurred and in between, and it's hard to decide what's what. So we're going to give you some examples of three types of citizens that you might need in a society. So the reading is going to look like this. You're going to read the types of citizen reading and questions section first. It says at the beginning here, at the introduction, one useful way to think about citizenship is to imagine how a good citizen is, how they see the job of citizens and what they do. There are three possible ways about being a good citizen. These are the three from our Kahoot from last week. Personally responsible citizens, a participatory citizen, and then finally a justice-oriented citizen is the third. So you're going to do this reading, which will further define those examples. Once you're done doing the reading, I want you to craft definitions that are written in your own words. So do not copy it from the text. Instead, I want it to come from your beautiful brains. Then when you're done with that, do you remember when we played the Kahoot and I asked you these items on the left and I asked you to organize them into one of those three categories? I want you to do that exact same thing, but I want you to do it after the reading, so it should be even better this time and more clear. Now, tomorrow we will move on to what I call the, skip over this for a second, my Mars activity. So do not start that now. You can read ahead if you want to, but don't start it yet. We're going to do one more practice activity before I give you guys that. So again, once you're done with this, you're done for the day. However, you do not, I repeat, you do not need to submit today because we still have that Mars activity to do tomorrow when I see you in person. All right, good luck, learners, and I hope you have a great day. This is all you have to complete today for social studies. If you have any questions, please email me and let me know.